Good day, it is Stephen Davids here. In this video I will tell you more about the registration bank in the Yamaha PSR 1500. If you play in a church, a band or wherever and you need to play a lot of songs after one another, each song has of course a key signature as well as a beat. Then each song also has a different voice or instruments that you can play it. You can play one instrument on top of the other. You can also, each song also has its own tempo. It is very difficult therefore every time to switch on the computer and type it in. The tempo, the beat, etc. You can easily save these settings and recall it with the registration bank. In order to access the registration bank, you go here and then just press registration bank. The registration bank menu consists basically of what you can call a main folder. And in this main folder you get two elements, namely registration banks that you can give various names, and the registration bank you can recognize by this figure there, maybe 2 points. And then also this present registration bank that is in use is highlighted. This registration main folder consists further of subfolders that you can create and then also rename. When you create subfolders, inside the subfolders you can also create then these registration bank files, if I may call it like that, these files. Each of these registration bank files can consist either of the user type that you created yourself, and here's on top you can see the tab, or you can create it and saved it on the memory card, or also on the USB if you do use and inserted the USB. In this case there's no USB card, or the only thing here that exists is on the Yamaha's keyboard computer itself, onboard computer. The main directory, if I may put it like this, consists then of the subfolders as well as the registration bank files. If you want to see more of the registration bank files, all you press here is then go to the page 1, page 2. There can be 4 pages, 5 pages, 6 pages, as many as I don't know the maximum. The top of these tabs you use to access then the top of these rows. The bottom tabs you use to access the bottom row of the instruction menus. So if you want to go to page 2, you just press here page 2 and you will see it change page 1, page 2, page 1, page 2. To create a new folder, all you press there is go then to folder, new folder, press there delete, then give it a name. Let us put there one demo, make it because this top you use for the top row, the bottom row you use the bottom row tabs. Let's make it one demo. One, then D, just like a phone, and want to press the E, so I have to move it. Use the dial if you want to move it to the other side, and then press again. Let's make it a small letter, change here the case, delete that what we had typed there, E, and then M, demo, and then O, use the dial again. And there you press OK, the top bottom, OK. And turn off. There is the file you created, demo 1. you can go into that demo file, and then all you do is you select the file, and there you inside it, and inside here you can also create then your registration bank files. To delete a registration bank folder, all you go to is go to the registration bank. We want to delete this folder that we created, one demo. Press here delete, it's on the bottom, delete. Then you will see select file folders. You go and you select the folder that you want to delete, and then it just press the bottom, OK. Sure you want to delete, and then you press here these buttons here. Yes, I am sure. No. Cancel. I'm now canceling, because it goes now to the next folder that you do not want to delete. There you will see the one demo folder that we created is deleted. To create a registration bank with its 8 sub-elements from new, all you do is you just press save. They ask you for a name there that you want to save. Give it a new name that you want to, any name. In this case, we just give it quite a different name. Delete that there. Just press A in this case. Make it case sensitive, uppercase. A. Then just press OK. There you see there's your new registration bank. We can save another registration bank. So save AAA, make it just AABBB, an additional name, or DDD, D, okay. And there you see there's your registration bank that you created, the A1 before and the one you created. That's the way. Suppose you want to copy a registration bank because there are elements that you just want, maybe you like the music, the style, etc. You just want to change the voice. Let's say here host 3. You just select it, and then you just put here copy, select copy, and then OK, and then save. And then you give it just another name, semi-host 4. Demo. OK. To rename a registration bank, you select the registration bank. In this case, we work with our demo here. Click on it. You go here to name, select file or folder, demo. It's highlighted. You can see it's highlighted and selected. Click OK. And then you just rename it, say demo 100. Make it demo 100. Here, 100. And then you press OK. Give it time to save. There you see the name changed to demo 100. To call up your registration bank, because your registration bank contains all these details, all you do is you go to registration bank, select whatever registration bank you want, use the tabs here to page 1, page 2, page 3, and since it's on the computer and not on a disk or the drive here, the card, but on the computer's internal memory, in any case, it will also show you page 1, page 2, but see, page anyone, say we want that one there, press it, and then just exit, and there you will see it is. Go another one, press one here, exit, and there it is. If you want to delete the registration bank, all you do is you click on the delete, click on the registration bank, select it, click here, delete, select file or folders, registration bank is selected it already. You can select something else or more, one or more, but in this case I just want to delete the demo file that we created. Click OK. You sure you want to delete it? Yes. The registration bank consists of various elements or sub-banks, and each bank is indicated by this sort of two-page symbols, and it consists of 8 sub-elements. Another way to describe it is to say that this is a subfolder in itself consisting of 8 files, or also in terms of the description of Yamaha, it consists of 8 buttons, and the buttons are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The same buttons you can access 1, 2, 3, 4 here. In order to access and to see what is inside this sort of subfolder, all you do is then you press here edit, select whatever registration bank you want, and then you just press here edit, and there you will see the 8 files or buttons, whatever you want to call it, which I did not necessarily named. And you can see there, you can select it, you can delete it, you can rename it. You can rename it the same way we used early on to name the folders. Let's go out. If you want to see what is inside that specific file or registration bank, all you do is you click here edit, and there you see it. I did not give these names, these sub set of buttons or registration files names, but there it is. You can rename that the same way. You can also select it here on the buttons here. To see what it exactly consists of, you just press exit here, and there you see this is the registration bank's name, and this is here the button name or the sub-file name, whatever you want to call it, and there it consists of this Adobe style trumpet. If you press another one here, right, it's easier. You see it's big lead, it changes as you press it here. The red light indicates that the button is selected, and the green indicates that there are contents like styles, voices, and tempos, for example, selected in that button or file. If you want to delete it, select a button here or a file there, registration memory, press then delete, OK, files, OK, select again the file, and just press OK. Sure you want to? Yes. There it is deleted. And when it's deleted, it is clear, it is open. That's the difference. We can delete another one. Delete. Select the file or folder. Is it selected? And then you click OK. We click number 6, pardon. 6 is in use. Delete it. OK. Yes, you want to sure? Yes. And you will see 6, the light is off. If you want to save elements of whatever song you created, the style, the tempos, the musical instruments, voices, then you select the registration bank, choose whatever registration bank you want to save it to. In this case, let's continue with a demo there. And then you just press memory. When you get memory, it will ask you which ones of the elements you want to save. You just go and select it. If you want to select in that case, go down, select down and up. In this case, I want to save everything. There's on and off, on and stop, style is on. Suppose I don't want to, for the purpose of this video, off, don't want to select voice, change it off. Go to the harmony, I don't want the harmony, change it off. I want to get the tempo, move it here, and then on. You have everything that you want, and then you just select the button where and the sub file where you wanted to save it to. Just press 4. In this case, 4 is now in use. Now, how do you go about and use the registration memory and registration banks that you created? There are many ways that you can do it. In my case, this is one way I do it. I write the registration memory there next to the hymns in pencil. The reason why I write in pencil, sometimes I want to change it. Sometimes I have add new registration banks. And in any case, I write it in pencil because should I get another keyboard, then I will just have to change again the registration memory. You go there, the registration bank having the best suitable style and music, voices, as tempo for this hymn number 317 is VG 1.5. So I go to the registration bank, quickly go to the registration bank, look up VG 1, there it is, select it, exit, there's VG 1, and then it is number 5, select 5, and there it is, 5. The registration bank is the registration bank and the button or sub-file that you use. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.